How to change phone number or email of your Snapchat account on iPhone device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipan Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your phone number or your email of your Snapchat account on your iPhone device. Now first things first, you want to simply open up your Snapchat account, right? Once you open up Snapchat, you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now you can see the login or sign up option. Simply tap on login, and here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now here you can see I've entered in my credentials and I've logged into my account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. You can see here, you want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you should get an interface like this. You should be on your profile. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it here, you should get an interface like this. Now there under my account, you can see name, username, birthday, and you can see mobile number. You want to simply tap on it here, and once you tap on it here, you can erase this. Now you can see my phone number here. You want to simply erase it, and you want to enter in your new phone number. And once you enter in your phone number, you should get the verify option. You want to make sure you enter in your phone number correctly and tap on verify, and you should get the verification code on your phone or your number. You want to simply enter in your confirmation code here, and you'll be able to switch your or change your phone number. Similarly, if you want to change your email, you want to head back, and under phone number you can see the email. You want to simply tap on email, and here you want to erase this, and similarly you want to enter in your new email. And once you enter in your new email, you want to simply tap on verify email option, and you should get the confirmation code on your email. You want to open up your email and enter in your code here, and once you do so, you'll be able to verify. So this way you can change your phone number or email on Snapchat on your iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.